Hello friends, this is Keshav and welcome all of you in this session. So guys, in this session we are going to solve two high level question of machine input output questions, and from if we see from this BRPO means or IBPS PO means point of view, this type of questions is very new pattern based and they have previously asked their in the mains paper. So definitely they are going to ask in the future also. So to prepare yourself from this type of question, you should practice, and today we are going to practice this type of questions and you will learn how to solve this type of questions. Okay, so let's start the sessions. Okay, you can see here that in this type of machine input output questions previously we have seen it. Okay, that is the box based machine input output, but previously the questions was in the box. What it was the numbers of the digit. Okay, but here you can see in the box it is box based machine input output is based on the alphabets. Okay, so here you can see alphabets is given on the box in the boxes, and again step 1, step 2 and step 3 is there, and final output we have got it. Okay, so how to solve this type of questions? Let's see here. So to solve these questions, you should know first of all the alphabet numbers. Okay, what is the ranking of alphabets? What is the position of C? What is the position of M? What is the position of P? Like this, you should remember all these positions of alphabets. Then only it will be easy for you to solve this type of questions. Okay, so let's see here. So C, what is the positions of C? Okay, we will write every else 3. Okay, what is the position of S? 19. Okay, again B 2, M 13. Position, we are writing all the positions of the alphabets. Okay, ranking means ranking of all the position, all the alphabets. Okay, B again 2, D 4. Okay, H 8, A 1. Okay, D K 11, B 2, G 7 and E 5. Okay, these are the ranking of the alphabets. Okay, now how to get V? What is the ranking of V? That is 22. And what is the ranking of I? 9. Okay, O 15, M 13, fine, and F 6 and L 12. Okay, so this is the ranking of V, I, O, M, F and L. Okay, so how we are getting the V? So you see the you can see here, means this box is how we are getting this box. We are getting this output from the box 1. Okay, and the box 4. So we are getting box 1 of step 1 from which box? Box 1 and box 4 of input. Okay, so you can see here, if I'll add these two numbers 3 and 19, what it is the sum of the numbers? 3 and 19, 3 plus 19, what it will be? It will be 22. And which alphabets has the ranking? 22. Okay, which alphabets has the ranking? 22? V. Okay, so V is placed here. Okay, so V is written here. Okay, now if I'll add 8 plus 1, okay, what it is? It is 9. Okay, so which alphabet is having the ranking 9? Okay, so I will be that alphabet. Okay, so I is written here. Okay, so I hope you understood the logic. Okay, so let's apply this logic in the box 2 and box 3 of the step 1. Okay, let's see here. So 2 plus 13, 2 plus 13 means what? It will be 15. So which alphabet has the ranking 15? O. Okay, so O is written here. Okay, now 11 plus 2, 11 plus 2, that means 13. Okay, so which alphabet has the ranking 13? So M is written here. Okay, you can see here. Now 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 means what? 6. Okay, 6, which alphabet has the ranking 6? F. So F is written here. Okay, and 7 plus 5, that is equals to 12. So 12, which alphabet has the ranking 12? So that is equals to L. So L will be that alphabet. Okay, so I hope you understood the logic, all the logics of the step 1. Okay, now let's see the step 2. Let's move to the step 2. So what is the position of D? Ranking, okay, 4. C, that is 3, again C 3, again D 4. Okay, so how we are getting these alphabets? Okay, so let's add all the first digit of the box 1, box 2 and box 3, all the digits. Okay, first digit means was 22, 15 and 6. What it will be? The sum of all the digits. So 22 plus 15 plus 6. Okay, so if we'll add all these digits, we will get all the numbers, we will get 43. Okay, so we are getting 43. So which alphabet, means if I'll break this one into two parts, 4 and 3. Okay, so if I'll break this one into two parts, 4 and 3, which alphabet has the ranking 4? So you can easily say D. Okay, which alphabet has the ranking 3? So it will be C. Okay, D and C is written here. Okay, so you understood what is the logic here. I am adding all the first digit of the box 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and whatever the output I am getting, I am just breaking into two parts. If I am getting 43, I will break in 4 and 3. Okay, so which alphabet has the ranking 4? And D. Which alphabet has the ranking 3? So C. Okay, now let's see. to the second box of step 2. Okay, so I'm adding all the second digit of box 1, box 2 and box 3 of step 1. Okay, so what is this second digit? 9 plus 13 plus 12. If I'll add all these three digits, all the three numbers, I'll get 34 as the output. Now I'll break this one. So 3, that means what? C. 4 means what? D. Okay, so C and D is written here. Okay, so I hope you got the logic of step 2. Okay, now let's move to the step 3. Okay, if I'll multiply 4 into 3, means 4 into 3, if I'll multiply it, what it will be? It will be 12. Okay, 12. So which alphabet has the ranking 12? Okay, so that is L. Okay, now again multiply this one. 3 into 4, that is equals to 12. Okay, so again 12 here. Okay, now just divide this one. 12 divided by 12. Okay, 12 divided by 12 means what? 1. Okay, so 1, which alphabet has the ranking 1? Okay, obviously A. Okay, so I hope you understood the logic of this question, first question. Okay, now let's move to the second questions. Now before watching this complete solution of this second question, just practice by yourself. Okay, just practice it by yourself and see whether you are able to solve it or not. Okay, if you are not able to solve it, then see the video. If you are able to solve it, then you should feel confident that you have got the logic. Okay, or you understood how to solve these questions. Okay, now let's see here. What is the ranking of A? And P 16, H again 8, B 2, M that is 13, then B 2, G ranking of G that is 7, A 1. Okay, G again 7, D means what? 3. Okay, that is 3, and F 6, D that is 4. Okay, so this is the ranking of all the alphabets of the input. Okay, now what is the ranking of PG? Okay, first step 1. Okay, ranking of P that is equals 16, G 7, again P 16, U that is 21. Okay, now Z 26, X 24. Fine. So this is the ranking of all the alphabets in step 1. Okay, now let's see how we are getting. If I multiply this one, okay, you can see here 16 getting. So how we are getting here 16? Okay, by multiplying this one, 1 into 16. Okay, 1 into 16 that is equals to 16. So which alphabet has the ranking 16? That is P. Okay, and if this one G, we are getting by multiplication of 7 into 1. 7 into 1 means what? 7. Which alphabet has 7 ranking? Okay, that is equals to, that is 7. Okay, so let's shift to step 2. Okay, sorry, step 1, box number 2. Okay, P. So multiply this one, 8 into 2 that is 16. So P. So we are writing here P. 7 into 3, 21. So which alphabet has the ranking 21? So that is U. Okay, now here 13 into 2, 26. Which alphabet has the ranking 26? Z. Okay, now 6 into 4, 24. Which alphabet has the ranking 24? X. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand what is the logic behind this step 1. Okay, now let's move to the step 2. Okay, so D, so what is the position of D? 4. R, that is 18. Okay, again D, here it is 4. Okay, and L 12. Okay, so this is the ranking of the alphabets in step 2. Okay, now how we are getting this one? Okay, so you can see here, what is the number of the first number of box 1. Okay, so 16, 16 and 26. Okay, 16, 16 and 26. This is the number of box 1, box 2 and box 3. First number of box 1, box 2 and box 3. Okay, fine. So if I add all the tens digit of 16, 16 and 20, what is the tens digit number? So 1, what is the tens digit number of this 16? 1. What is the tens digit number of 26? That is equals to 2. So if addition is what? 4. So we are getting 4. Which alphabet is the ranking 4? So D. So here D is written. Okay, fine. I hope you understand. We are adding all the tens digit of first number of box 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now after how we are getting here, we'll add the unit digit of first digit of box 1, 2 and 3. So what is the unit digit here? 6. Okay, 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is equals to 18. Which alphabet has the ranking 18? That is R. So R is written here. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the logic behind this step 2. Okay, now let's see here. We are adding all the what is all the digits of step second box of step 1, step 2 and step 3, sorry, box 1, box 2 and box 3 in the step 1. Okay, so 707, right, again 21, again 24. This is the number of second box. Okay, how I will get the first box of the second box, first alphabet of second box. How we are getting? We are adding all the tens digit. So add all the tens digit. 0 plus 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. So we are getting 4. So it will be 4. How we are getting L? And we are after adding all the unit digits. So add 7 plus 1 plus 4, that is equals to 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12, that is equals to L. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand what is the logic behind step 2. Okay, now let's move to the step 3. What is the position of V? That is 22. Okay, P 16. Okay, just add this one, 4 plus 18. 4 plus 18, that is equals to 22, so we are adding V. Okay, now 4 plus 12, that is equals to 16, so we are adding P. So I hope you are able to understand. Now let's move to the step. How we are getting a step 4? 12 minus 16, sorry, 22 minus 16, that is equals to 6. So which alphabet has the 6th ranking? That is F. I hope you are able to understand what is how to solve this type of questions. Okay, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me in the comment section or on our Telegram channel. Definitely I will help you. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy and stay safe, guys.